Hey guys, this is Vanessa. Welcome back from your 2 week spring break. Um, there are a few big changes because of all the COVID stuff going on. We're going to be online for at least a few weeks, probably longer if you've been paying attention to the news and stuff. We might wrap up the year doing online schooling. So if you're a senior, you're going to be finishing your high school experience online probably. Um, what I'd like to give you guys is some info about where we're going from here. So, because we had an extra week for spring break, what your teachers are doing is we're chopping a week out of Hexter 5. So, you should have had 2 more weeks of Hexter 5 left, but when you return to online classes here at the end of March, you're just going to have 1 week left, which is nice because there's less work for you guys. But it also means that if you were kind of procrastinating and had work to make up, you need to get it made up in the next week. Um, it also means that you'll have some sort of final assessment coming up in the next week. And that'll look different with every teacher. For my class, it'll just be a final, like it always is, except I'll email it to you rather than giving it to you in person. Um, but ask us any questions that you have. And so we're going to wrap up Hexter 5 in the next week, and then we're going to start Hexter 6 right after that. Um, for those of you who aren't used to being online students, please call or email your teachers if you have any questions. We're going to try to touch base and do like a live conversation with students for every class at least once a week. So you can ask questions and I can give instructions and help with things then. Um, and yeah, I just hope your family's healthy and happy and you guys took care of yourselves over break. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.